How to dropship from Aliexpress to Daraz. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Aliexpress and how you're going to be able to dropship products directly from Aliexpress to Daraz. Okay, so what you're going to be doing to start things off is come over to sellercenter.daraz.pk and you're going to be becoming a Daraz seller today. Okay, so to create an account with the raw seller, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to create a new account. Now, the best part about selling on Daraz is that, first of all, you get a lot of reach because Daraz is Pakistan's most visited shopping destination. It's one of the most used, if not the one of the most used, if not the most used e-commerce stores in Pakistan. So, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and they say that you're going to need to go ahead and sign up with your phone number. All right. So simply go ahead and add in your phone number from here. So I'm going to add this right over here. Now, once we've added this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on sign, send OTP via WhatsApp. Okay. And you're going to want to make sure that your OTP is valid and it has been sent properly. Okay. And obviously, you're going to want to make sure that whatever phone number you add is the correct phone number that they require. And now you're simply going to go ahead and say release the slider immediately after one penguin fully appears. Okay. So I'm simply going to release the slider from here. Now, what you're going to do is, first of all, set up a password for yourself. And I'm simply going to go ahead and confirm the password. And once we've done that, you could have a referral code that you could add over here if someone has referred you to this. And once we have done this, it says enter the 6-digit code sent to your WhatsApp. So I'm simply going to wait for the code to come into me. And once it is here, let me show you what we're going to go to. Now from here, it's going to start asking you the other questions like what type of account do you want to create? So it could either be a personal or a business account. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go ahead and name my store, let's say John's Electronics. Okay, that is what we're calling it. Now, once you've done that, you're going to enter in your email address that you want to sign up with. Obviously, I'm going to add the email address that I created my account with and click on next. Now, what this does is it brings us to the Raw Seller Central. Okay. Now, once you're over here, they are going to take you through to the onboarding. So to fulfill your orders, you are going to go ahead and add a pickup address for yourself. And then you're going to add in the bank ID where they're going to send you the money. And you're going to also add in the products that you're going to want to work with. Now, once our Seller Center account is created, this is where we switch over to AliExpress. Now, in AliExpress, what you're going to do is you're going to first of all start scouring the products that you want to go with, okay? So we have tons and tons of different products here that you can choose from, and you can work around with them in the easiest way. So let's say I'm going to go ahead to some type of super deal where it's going to cost me quite cheaply, but obviously I can sell it at the main price that people will buy it on. So let's go ahead with this jacket. All right. Now, obviously, it is the winter, so jackets are in nowadays, and a lot of people do want to use them and wear them. So let's say I'm going to keep this product open over here. Now, what you can also do to go ahead with products that are in niche is use other third-party providers like Jungle Scout and a whole lot more. Now, Jungle Scout is a researcher that allows you to go ahead and see the different products on different e-commerce stores, and it lets you analyze the competitor analysis, the product research. It gives you everything to, basically help you sell on your e-commerce store. So, what you can do is you can use softwares like these, or you can even use softwares like Pilot Page and a whole lot more. Now, once you've used different SaaSs and different requirements to fulfill your e-commerce demands, what we're going to do from here is, let's say I want to choose this product for myself, right? So we're going to come over to the Seller Central and we're going to go over to products and we're going to click on add products. All right. Now, once you click on add products, what you're going to do from here is you're going to make sure to add the product that you want to create a page for in your different pilot app or different research app. So let's say in my case, I'm going to be using Page Pilot, all right, because I already have an account on Page Pilot AI and I want to go ahead and create something out of this, okay? So once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on generate and you're going to enter the URL for your AliExpress. So let's say here's the AliExpress page. I'm going to copy this up. I'm going to go over to enter URL. And once you click on enter URL, what happens from here is you're simply going to go ahead and click on generate product page. Now, once our generation is fully completed, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your design. And as you can see, it has created a proper gone ahead product page for us. So what you're going to do is you're first of all going to take the images for the products. Now you can, get them off directly off of AliExpress if you want to. So let's say I'm going to come over here. We're going to go over to save as, and I'm going to save this image for myself. Okay. And once you've saved images and you have gone through with the main thing, you're going to go ahead. Let's say I'm going to copy this product title. We're going to add it right here. Then you're going to choose the category as well. So obviously my category would be fashion. Now, once you've done that, you can add the product images that I recently told you. So currently I'm going to go with this image, but obviously choose the product images that your researcher has chose for you. Then you can go ahead and start adding the specifications of what brand is it from. So we're going to add the brand. Okay. And once you have added the brand, what you're going to do from here is you're going to select the age range. So I'm going to go with 19 to 27. Occasion, obviously, we're going to go with outdoor. Once you've done that, you can start adding the price variance for yourself. So whatever variance you have, just go ahead, add in the field value for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to add in black and blue. That's about it. Once you do that, you're going to come down here, scroll down, and once everything is good to go for your products, you're simply gonna go ahead and add in your product descriptions. Now, this is where you're gonna choose these product descriptions for yourself that the researcher has chosen for us. So once everything is good to go, come here, add in the product descriptions. There we go. And then there's the highlights where you want to let them know about the product. What is this product really about? What will it do for you? So I'm going to add that in. Then there's the package weight, the package length, and how many decibels can it go into. So we're simply going to add all of this. You're going to select the warranty type, and once all of this is done, simply click on submit, choose the pricing for your variations. And once we have done all of that, click on submit, and there we go. So our product is now properly published, and we have successfully drop shipped our product from AliExpress to our Daraz in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be giving you a whole lot more to watch. Till then, that is all from me. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.